Hello and good morning, dear friends. I once again welcome you in today's morning online class, and we will start today our Bihayu English book. And the very first chapter of this book is The Fun They Had by Isaac Asimov. So, we will start this class today, and I wish and I hope that you are in the best of your health, and I wish you all the best. So, dear friends, let us begin the class. But before begin, I want to ask you one question. Have you ever thought that what sort of schools would be there or will be there in future? In future means after 100 years, after 200 years, or so on. Maybe there would be no schools, there will be no books, there will be no pens and pencils and so on. You might think so. Now, to understand this question or to analyze this question which is in our mind, let us go beyond 100 years. What was there before 100 years? Means we are in 2020s, and we will move to 1920 or before that. There are very few schools. There were not much printed books. Teachers were not that much available, and no internet, no radios, okay? No iPhones, no smartphones, no online classes, nothing else. So as the time changes, as a certain revolution and evolution take place, and we are on this stage where we are now. Education system or the schools today are in a much better position. And see, in this pandemic corona time, we are going online. Suddenly we have smartphones in our hand. All the students are at their home, they are having their smartphones, and teachers are all online, and teaching is also online. So such kind of such kinds of schools would be there in future after 100 years, and it will be normal schools. The schools will be very much normal school, online classes will be very much normal, and all. So all these kinds of things uh, are accumulated in this very fine story by Isaac Asimov. But see the title of this lesson, my dear friends. The fun they had means past tense. The fun they had. So what sort of fun he is talking about? Who are they in this line? And what kind of fun they had in the past? So Isaac Asimov wants to uh, tell a message, convey the message that the online schools, the technological schools, the emergence of technology in education would not surpass the fun, the environment, the magic the old schools have created. Old schools means the schools of this century, our century, 1920s to 2020, or more than 30 years or so far. So the story is set in future. The setting of the story is set in future, and there are two characters, and certain characters will also come in between. But there are two major characters, Margie and Tommy. Tommy is 13 years old and Margie is 11 years old, and they are in this story, and the story is set in 2157. 2157 means today is 2020, and the story is set in 2157, around 130 years from today. So this story by Isaac Asimov is a very beautiful story. Such kind of story is detailed or is acclaimed in science fiction. There are some writers, my dear friends, they are very much interested, and they wrote stories regarding robots, future inventions. So such kind of things, such kind of fiction is called as science fiction. So this is a very fine story, a very good example, the best example of science fiction by Isaac Asimov. So before moving to the actual part of the story, we will see who Isaac Asimov was. Yes, the fun they had. Yes, this is the picture of Isaac Asimov. My dear friends, Isaac Asimov is best known for the Foundation series and Robot series. See, he is the founder of Robot Stories. The Foundation stories were written between 1942 and 1949 and were collected as the Foundation trilogy. Trilogy means a group of three. Foundation 1951, Foundation and Empire 1952, and Second Foundation 1953. Scholar Isaac Asimov was one of the 20th century's most prolific writers, very famous writer, one of the very famous writers, writing in many genres. He was known for sci-fi works. Sci-fi works means science fiction, as I have told you. Science fiction. Fiction but in scientific manner. Sci-fi works like Foundation and I, Robot. So all his stories are related with robot, the technology, internet, future generation, and so on. Now, let us have a brief look about his biography. Isaac Asimov immigrated with his family from Russia to the United States and became a biochemistry professor while pursuing writing. He published his first novel. His name of his first novel was Pebble in the Sky in 1950. An immensely prolific author who penned nearly 500 books. How many books he has written? He has written nearly 500 books, and all are regarding science fiction. He published influential sci-fi works. My dear friends, you come to know a very new word, sci-fi works. नया शब्द आपको पता चला है. Sci-fi works means works related to science fiction. Sci-fi works like I, Robot, and Foundation trilogy, as well as books in variety of other genres. So this is the beginning, my dear friends. I have given you the short summary about the life of Isaac Asimov and his works. Now, this is the picture from our textbook. See the schools of future. So schools of future will be, we will learn through computers. See the boy, using gadgets. It is just like you, my dear friends. You are here only, but we have no option as our schools are shut down due to pandemic, due to lockdown and so on. So we are compelled to stay at home, but now there are all over there are schools, but in future there will be no schools. The next part of your bedroom might be your schools, and there would be no teacher. There will be virtual classrooms. See the second picture, dear friends. Virtual classrooms. Then learning through computers. Then there will be no human teacher. There will be a robotic teacher who would teach you. And moving text, not the printed text. You will have a moving e-text, just you have now. Mobile, laptop, desktop, or else. Okay, so this is the idea of the schools of the future. Now see, robot will teach you. See, this is your maths class or English class, and a robotic teacher will teach you. And this is a compilation of two genres, my dear friend. The robot has books in his hand, so it also shows the importance of books in the future schools also. Next, yes, now we will start the lesson. The fun they had. The story we shall read is set in the future, when books and schools as we now know them will perhaps not exist. How will children study then? ये स्टोरी जो है फ्यूचर में सेट है 2157, ओके 2157 में सेट है, आज से लगभग 130 साल के बाद, कि स्कूल्स कैसी होगी. Schools as we now know them will perhaps not exist. How will children study then? The diagram below may give you some ideas. Just this is the same diagram which we have studied now. In pairs, discuss three things about you like best about your school, and three things about your school that you would like to change. Okay, fine. So we'll start the lesson. So let us have a sort of introduction about this. The Fun They Had is a short story that falls in the category of science fiction and has the future year 2157 at its background setting. कब setting है इसका? 2157, मतलब आज से 130 साल बाद की इसकी setting है. It takes us into a world where computers will play a major role in educating children. Schools that use paper books and that encourage mutual interaction between teachers and students will cease to exist. Cease means stop. Exist मतलब होना. तो आज जो पेपर बुक्स, जो लाइब्रेरी के बुक्स, जो प्रिंटेड बुक्स हमको इनकरेज करते हैं पढ़ाई के लिए, बुक्स का जो आज जो महत्व है वो फ्यूचर में नहीं रहेगा, और हमें जो है पूरे ई टेक्स्ट, तो ई टेक्स्ट का डेफिनेशन भी आपको इस लेसन में मिलेगा. So this story is set in future where books and schools as we have now perhaps will not exist. Two students of that period, about 150 years advance from today, find a printed book. They are surprised very much. They talk about the schools and books of the old period. They compare those schools with those of their own which are situated in their homes and have mechanical teachers to teach them. Now, in this story, my dear friends, there is comparison between a robotic teacher and the teacher of the previous schools. Also, as Margie and Tommy, they do not have any school. Their bedroom is their school, their personal study room is their school, it is a virtual classroom. So they won't get any kind of pleasure, any kind of encouragement. They do not have any classmates, they do not have any teacher who would care, who would sympathize with their infirmities, and who would encourage them. So, this is a very sensitive thing mentioned here. Though we are advancing towards higher form of technology, but my dear friends, we would be nostalgic regarding our previous schools. I just want to take you 100 years back or maybe more. For example, if you get the book without printing books, when our epics were written and all, in those days it is says that paper, there were no papers. The printing machines and papers are very new. In just 18th and 19th century, you will get the idea of printing press and so on. But before that, there were the leaves of the tree. They are used, the dry leaves of the tree, they are used for writing, and most of our epics were written on them, and they are it is perhaps not exist. So if we find, अगर हमको वो पुराना कोई वो मिल जाए, पुराना वो पत्र मिल जाए जिसके ऊपर लिखावट लिखा करते थे, आपने किसी इपिक में रामायण महाभारत वगैरह में वो खत लिखते हुए किसी को देखा होगा। पेपर का तो आविष्कार उस समय हुआ नहीं था, तो पेपर पर वो लिखते थे। तो उस जमाने की बुक्स अगर आपको कोई मिली, कोई प्रतिलिपि आपको मिली, सम्राट अशोक के काल में आप देखिए दीवार, वो अपने क्या बड़े बड़े पत्थरों के ऊपर शिलालेख जिसको बोलते हैं, शिलालेखों के ऊपर जो है पूरी की पूरी कहानियां लिखी हुई है, पूरे के पूरे संभाषण लिखे हुए हैं, जातक कथाएं लिखी हुई है। तो समय जैसे जैसे बदलता है, हमारे जीवन में भी बदलाव आता है और आविष्कार होते रहते हैं। तो ये आविष्कार जो है आगे आगे बढ़ेंगे। आज से 15 साल पहले कोई मोबाइल नहीं थे, हम जब स्कूल में पढ़ते थे हमारे पास कोई मोबाइल नहीं थे। आज पूरी शिक्षा, आज से देखिए 15-20 साल बाद, मैं 15 साल पहले की बात कर रहा हूँ, 15 साल के बाद एक ऐसी लाइफ हम जी रहे हैं कि मोबाइल के बगैर हमारा जीवन अभी बिल्कुल शांत हो जाएगा। तो हमारे बच्चे के पास अगर मोबाइल नहीं है तो वो पढ़ नहीं पाएगा, लेकिन 15 साल के पहले वहाँ कोई मोबाइल नहीं थे, लेकिन बच्चे आराम से पढ़ रहे थे। तो आविष्कार होता रहता है ना, आविष्कार होता रहता है, आगे हम बढ़ते रहते हैं। सो आज से 100 साल पहले की बात तो एकदम ही अलग हो सकती है। They compare those schools with those of their own which are situated in their homes and have mechanical teachers to teach them. They find their own schools dull and boring. They think that it was great fun to study in the schools or of old times when all the kids in the area went there to learn the same thing by a man teacher. So let us now start the first part. Okay, very nice story, dear friends. Just listen. We will take just first paragraph, first two paragraphs today. Margie even wrote. Can you tell me which tense is this? Margie even wrote. Yes, this is simple past tense. And all the stories, you just go through the whole book today for 10 minutes. You will find each story of our book is written up in simple past tense. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary. डायरी में रात में बहुत सारे बच्चे डायरी एंट्री करते हैं, उनकी आदत होती है। तो उस दिन एक बड़ी अजब घटना घटी। क्या हुआ? इतनी अजब घटना होती कि मार्जी ने अपने डायरी में उसकी एंट्री की। क्या एंट्री की? ऑन द पेज हेडेड 17th May 2157 सी रोट। कौन सा दिन है? 17 मई 2157 का दिन है। उसने जो है लिखा, टुडे मतलब आज, टॉमी फाउंड ए रियल बुक। रियल बुक। Tommy and Margie, they do not know till now, they do not see the book. They do not know what books are, what schools are. Tommy found a real book. A real book was found by Tommy. What sort of book it was? It was a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. They turned the pages, which were yellow and crinkly, and it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen, you know. And then when they turned back to the page before, it had the same words on it that it had had when they read it the first time. So what is the explanation? See this picture. Imagine this is Tommy who has found a book. The story was set in future in 2157. About 130 years from now, you may understand that after 100 years and so there would be no books. Our post generation will study through computers and there may not be any teachers. Margie wrote in her diary that night that Tommy had found a real book. Margie was too much astonished, means surprised, to see a real book about which she had just heard from her grandfather. Only Margie said that it was a very old book. मार्जी ने बुक्स के बारे में कभी नहीं सुना था, ना उसको बारे में देखा था, सिर्फ अपने दादाजी से उसने सुना था. उसके दादाजी ने उससे को बताया. मान लीजिए सर देखिए, एक जनरेशन लगभग 30 वर्ष की होती है, 30 वर्ष का गैप. तो उसके दादाजी ने मार्जी को बताया कि जब वो बच्चे थे, उसके दादाजी जब बच्चे थे तो उनके पास भी बुक नहीं थी. उनके दादाजी जब बच्चे थे तो वो बताते थे कि उनके दादाजी के समय में, मतलब और 30 साल पहले आप चले जाइए, 30 और 60 साल पहले आप चले जाइए, है ना, दादाजी ना, दादाजी के फादर और फादर के फादर. तो उसके दादाजी जब बच्चे थे, उसके दादाजी के दादाजी जब बच्चे थे, देखिए ना क्या बोल रहा है. It was told that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, grandfather जब छोटे बच्चे थे, उसके grandfather, उनके grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. तो उसके दादाजी के मतलब 80-90 साल के पहले की बात बता रहे हैं. उस समय जो है सारी की सारी स्टोरीज पेपर पे प्रिंट होती थी. जैसे हम आज आपके पास अगर बुक है तो वो बुक की वो बात कर रही है. मार्जी सेड दैट इट वाज अ वेरी ओल्ड बुक. बहुत ओल्ड बुक थी. और ओल्ड बुक देखिए थोड़ा सा अलग उसका स्मेल आता है, क्रिंकली होते हैं, येलोइश होते हैं, है ना, थोड़े क्रिंकली, प्रक प्रक ऐसा आवाज आता है. एंड सेड दैट हर ग्रैंडफादर वंस टोल्ड हर दैट इन हिज ग्रैंडमदर्स टाइम, सॉरी ग्रैंडफादर होना चाहिए यहाँ पे, ग्रैंडफादर्स टाइम, books were used as an educational tool in school. There was a time when all stories were printed on paper. The students used to turn the pages, which might be very funny, and the pages were yellow in color. In those days there were no moving text, है ना. In 2157 there will be moving text. तो मार्जी और टॉमी के समय मूविंग टेक्स्ट है ना, स्क्रीन पे, उनको हाथ से वो पलटाना नहीं पड़ता, ठीक है, मतलब उंगली से वो पलटाते हैं, लेकिन बुक उनके हाथ में नहीं है. तो बोलती है कि बड़ा फनी लगता होगा जब बच्चे पेजेस को टर्न करते होंगे, येलो कलर के वो पेजेस होते थे. इट वॉज वेरी फनी, बड़ा फनी लगता होगा, एज द वर्ड स्टूड स्टिल इंस्टेड ऑफ बीइंग मूव्ड एज ऑन ए कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन. कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन के ऊपर जैसे मूव होता है, जो स्क्रीन मूव होता है, वर्ड्स मूव होते हैं अपने आप से, वैसे जो है वर्ड्स मूव नहीं होते होंगे. बड़ा उसको फनी. तो आज के दोनों पैराग्राफ के में हमने ये देखा कि मार्जी को पता चला है कि टॉमी ने उसको बताया क्या, कि एक बुक मिला है, बड़ा ओल्ड बुक. देखिए टॉमी है, 13 साल का है, मार्जी है और सोचते होंगे वो कि उस ज़माने में सारे के सारे बच्चे देखिए किस तरीके से बुक्स जो है पढ़ते होंगे. सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. थैंक यू वेरी मच. वी विल meet again tomorrow with the next part of the stories. Thank you very much.